Amit, see if you can talk to more MLAs, because ultimately you'll know how this news has gone down internally within the ranks of the Aam Aadmi Party once you speak with them.
Preeti, I just had a word with Naresh Yadav, who is MLA from Mehrauli, and I did ask him a question to which he was also smiling and responding, is that the country has seen episodes such as Jitan Ram Manjhi as well as Champai Soren to be the latest example in Jharkhand. How would they tell the people of Delhi that something of that sort is not going to happen, to which he smiled and said that, look, in the moments of crisis, not a single MLA, Swiss boards, the party did not break down. There have been instances in other parties where you see splits happening. That did not happen in the worst of times. So there's no possibility of repetition of Jitan Ram Manjhi or Champai Soren in the national capital. And, we understand where that confidence is coming from, because Atishi has been chosen by Arvind Kejriwal because she is loyalist of Aam Aadmi Party of Arvind Kejriwal and has a track record of her own work, and that is why she has been chosen by Arvind Kejriwal himself. And even these MLAs are confident, they are maintaining that nobody was disgruntled, angry during this meeting. I'm walking again back towards the Chief Minister's residence, because that's where the entire carcades are moving right now. The MLAs are stepping out and they are sharing their views about what transpired in the meeting. And many of these MLAs also told me that Chief Minister has already told them, briefed them as to why this entire decision to step down was taken, and why the necessity of electing another leader as the head of the legislative party was taken. But very crucial moments right now. These are important voices which are stepping out of the Chief Minister's residence, and we are trying to get you each of these voices to understand, as to whether there was any sort of anybody who was angry, anybody who had other opinions. That's also a story that we are tracking right now, because yes, Atishi has been chosen as the leader of the legislative party of Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi, but the bigger question is whether there was any sort of ambitions from other MLAs as well, other ministers as well, to become the Chief Minister of Delhi. We will try and get in word from Akhilesh Pati Tripathi, who is also senior MLA from the national capital, to understand what transpired in that meeting. But as I was saying, it was Dilip Pandey who had proposed that Arvind Kejriwal will choose the name of his successor. And after that, Arvind Kejriwal, Akhilesh Pati Tripathi is joining me. Akhilesh ji, ये बताइए आप कि मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल अपना सक्सेसर चुनेंगे, ये प्रस्ताव जो है चीफ विप ने रखा, दिलीप पांडे ने रखा, और उन्होंने आतिशी जी का नाम लिया. दो चीजें, क्या कोई विरोध था, नंबर एक, और मुख्यमंत्री जी ने अपनी बातचीत में क्या कहा आप लोगों को?
देखिए, सबसे पहली बात है कि विधायक दल के लोग बैठे और हम सब ने फैसला किया कि माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के नाम पर ही मैंडेट मिला है, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के नाम पर इस सरकार को. दिल्ली के लोग आदरणीय अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को बहुत प्यार करते हैं और उन पर जो जुल्म और जातकी हुई है उसके लिए लोग बहुत क्रुद्ध भी हैं. लेकिन अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने दिखाया कि हम दिल्ली के लोगों के लिए काम के लिए आए हैं. अगर भारतीय जनता पार्टी दिल्ली के लोगों का काम रोकना चाहती है तो काम रुकने नहीं देंगे. और उन्होंने कहा कि हम जेल में जब वो इस्तीफा लेना चाहते थे तो इस्तीफा नहीं दिए, अब हम कुर्सी के लिए नहीं आए, इस्तीफा दे दिए हैं. हम सब दिल्ली को एक सुशासन देंगे और सब
लोगों ने अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को एक बार और मनाने की कोशिश की, ऐसा लग रहा है.
हम सब एक बहुत भावुक क्षण था हम लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि हमारे अजीज नेता, हम उनके बिना कोई संकल्पना नहीं ले सकते, लेकिन उनका जो राम राज्य का सपना है दिल्ली में, उसको संकल्पित करने के लिए हम सब आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. और दिल्ली के लोगों कुछ भी करना पड़ जाए, दिल्ली के लोगों के लिए अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने कहा कुछ भी करना पड़ जाए,
तो उसी राम राज्य का कंटिन्यूएशन हो रहा है क्या? भारत के तौर
ऐसे सीएम के पद को छोड़ना पड़ जाए, हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं, लेकिन दिल्ली के लोगों का, देश के लोगों का काम नहीं रुकने देंगे. हम नया मुख्यमंत्री बना के काम करना शुरू कर रहे हैं, करेंगे.
आखिरी सवाल, जितन राम मांझी हुए देश में, चंपई सोरेन हुए देश में, दिल्ली वालों को डर लगेगा कि वही ना हो जाए यहाँ पे?
देखिए, और भी पार्टियां बहुत सारी हुई जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के आतंक और ईडी और सीबीआई के डर से टूट भी गई, बट भी गई, हट भी गई. लेकिन ये अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की आम आदमी पार्टी है, उनके सिपाही हैं, याद रखने. ठीक है, ये न टूटे हैं, न झुके हैं, न रुके हैं।
Pati Tripathi repeating that this is Aam Aadmi Party. There will be no problem as far as AAP is concerned, and I'll try to take a word from Kuldeep because he's a very important voice in Aam Aadmi Party as well. Kuldeep is also, the all eyes will be set on Kuldeep as well, because in the coming days, that's one portfolio which the doors for which has been now opened, is that who is going to be next SC/ST Minister of the National Capital. So as soon as this entire narrative around the resignation and that swearing in of the new Chief Minister is done, after that there will be induction of 2 ministers in the Delhi cabinet, one also being, it has to be a Dalit minister, we are being told through top sources in the Aam Aadmi Party. And because Kuldeep Kumar was the one who had contested on Aam Aadmi Party ticket from East Delhi Lok Sabha constituency, he also seems to be the front runner in that particular game. But one after other, very interesting, one after other MLAs stepping out, and they are saying that, look, this is Aam Aadmi Party. You will not see any return of a Champai Soren or a Jitan Ram Manjhi model in Delhi because we did not break even in the face of the biggest crisis like other parties. We stood rock solid, united, and that will go to the elections in Arvind Kejriwal's to get mandate in Arvind Kejriwal's face. And these MLAs are also maintaining right now as we speak that Kailash Gehlot there. Very interesting visuals. Kailash Gehlot with all smiles on his face. He was a contender to the CM race, and we'll try to get a voice.
सबने एक साथ मिलके आतिशी के नाम पे सहमति जताई और उनका
बीजेपी आरोप लगा रही है कि वो डमी सीएम साबित होंगे।
वो बीजेपी का काम है आरोप लगाने का, उनकी कोई चिंता नहीं। चलेगा
किसी की कोई नाराजगी नहीं, किसी की
नहीं कुछ नहीं।
Okay, Kailash Gehlot right there. Important voice because, as the meeting was happening, there was a lot of speculations as to whether Kailash Gehlot's name can be proposed during this meeting as well. But right now he's saying no, there was nobody was disgruntled, and he has stepped out with a smiling face, and also he's rejecting the BJP's narrative.